Hello and welcome to Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. In this video, we are going to learn about the program number 9 of graded exercise in C programming lab. The program title is C program to simulate an arithmetic calculator that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in today's session, I'm going to explain you how this program can be executed step by step. I'll show you the all possible outputs and I'm going to explain you the procedure as well as the flowchart and algorithm of this particular program. To begin with the program, as usual, it starts with hash include studio.h and conio.h as header files. And since we are going to check out the four arithmetic operations, we are making use of a switch statement. So switch statement already you have seen, you know about the switch statements which is discussed in the previous videos. The switch statements start with the keyword switch followed by the expression, and in the body of the switch statements there are case statements. You can have multiple case statements followed by the constant expression and the statements and a break statement. So the after the case statements, there is by default a end expression or the end statement that is called as the default statement followed by a break. In this program, since we are going to perform four mathematical operation on the two numbers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, we need to make use of the switch expression to check out each operations on which is performed on the two numbers. The program is not going to return any data, so we are writing it as void. The main function start. First, there is a variable declaration part. There are two different data types declared here, char, opper. So opper is nothing but a operator which indicates the character plus, minus, multiplication and division, followed by the char opper. There is three more variables declared of the data type float, n1, n2 and result. N1 and n2 are the two numbers which are going to store two values of the two numbers. Result is a variable which is going to store the result after performing the operation on n1 and n2. The operations performed can be addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Printf, enter two numbers and an operator in the below format. So the first statement which is displayed on the output will be entering two numbers and the operator, and the next statement will be the format in which you are going to enter the numbers. First you have to enter the number 1 followed by the operator and number 2. So to accept these three variables, we have the format specifier %f, %c and %f, and followed by the variables n1, opper and n2. So after entering the two numbers, you need to enter the operator. Depending upon the operator, particular case statement will be executed in this switch statement. If you enter the operator plus, then the cursor will move case plus. The following plus operation, that is addition operation, will be performed on the two numbers and the result will be stored in a variable result, and the execution of break take place. So the cursor comes out of this switch statement and the last statement which is printf, and it is going to print the result of two variables and the operation, that is n1 plus n2. The result will be displayed. Suppose if you enter minus as upper, so the subtraction operation will be performed on the two numbers and the value will be stored in the result, and the cursor will come to the break statement so that the cursor comes out of this switch statement and the result will be printed as the subtraction operation on the two numbers. So followed by this, the same continues if you enter the multiplication and the division operation. To understand it clearly, we'll execute this program. So already I have saved the program. The program starts with the header files followed by the main. We have entered two variables and the next statements are printf statements and the switch statement. So we'll see first the step-by-step execution. Alt F9. There are no errors as you can see. So next, first I'll give the step-by-step execution. So the cursor moves to white main. Enter two numbers. Number 1, operator number 2. These two statements will be already now printed on the console window. Now it will accept the inputs after the execution of this particular line, scanf. Now it accepts the two numbers. First we'll check out the multiplication operation. I'm entering some number 5 space followed by the operator star, that is the multiplication symbol operator. So now it comes to the switch. So the operator I have entered is star, that is the multiplication symbol. So you can see the next step moves to case star, and here the multiplication operation will be performed on the two numbers. It goes to the break statement and comes out of the switch statements and prints the last statement in which the result of two numbers multiplied will be stored, and that particular statement output will be displayed. So you can see here 5 into 8, it is 40. So we have seen the multiplication operation. Next we will move on to the other three operations. So once again the cursor comes back to the main program. The following statements will be already now printed. Enter the two numbers. Now we'll perform the division operation. The first number I'll enter will be 4 followed by the division operator, that is backslash 2. So here from the switch oper jumps to the division operation where the division of the two numbers takes place. It comes to the break statement to come out of the switch statement, and it is going to perform or print the final result, which is the division of two numbers. So 4 divided by 2, it is 2. Similarly, we'll check out the other two operations. So now once again main, printing of two numbers. So now we'll perform the subtraction operation. Minus 3 now comes to the negative, that is minus operator, that is subtraction. Print the result. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And finally we'll see the plus operation. Cursor moves to the main program. From the main program you can see it moving to the cleared screen. The previous result will be cleared. Enter the two numbers in the format number 1, operator number 2. So now it is accepting the two numbers. So I am going to give two numbers. So after accepting the number and the operator, in case switch statement, plus operator is accepted. So it comes to case plus, where the addition of two numbers takes place. After the break statement, it is going to print the result. Final result will be 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So the all possible outputs I have shown you in this program. This is how the program executes. So each and every case statement has been executed. It is going to perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations. So next, coming back to the slides. Now we'll discuss about the flowchart, and so if you want you can check out all the operations, mathematical all 4 operations, and you can list out the result. So next we'll see the algorithm. The algorithm begins with start, and after the program starts it accepts two numbers. Now you accept in between the two numbers you have to enter the operator. So they pass the operator choice into the switch case. In case of plus, addition of two numbers takes place and it is going to print the addition result. In case of minus, subtraction of two numbers takes place and it is going to print the subtraction result. In case of star, multiplication of two numbers takes place and it is going to print the result. Next, in case of backslash, the division of two numbers takes place and it is going to print the result. So if you enter other than these four operators, any other symbol or any other character, it is going to print error in the operation and finally it stops the execution. So this is what is the algorithm of the particular program is. We'll see the flow chart. In the flow chart, first it starts, enter the operator, enter the two numbers, read the two numbers and the operator. In case of plus, it is going to print n1 plus n2. If not plus, if you are giving minus, it is going to print n1 minus n2. So in the decision box, it is going to decide what operator you have entered. If not plus, minus, then it will be star. So it is going to print the multiplication result. If no multiplication, then division. It is going to print the division result. If not the four operators, it is going to finally print the operator entered is not correct. And the program ends. So after accepting the operators and the numbers, two numbers, the following operation can be performed on the two numbers based on the character entered in OPER, that is the variable whose data type is char. So all four characters you have seen here, plus, minus, star and backslash. If you press star, then it is multiplication. If you press backslash, then it is division. If you press minus symbol, then it is subtraction. If you press plus symbol, then it is addition of the two numbers. If you press any other key other than these four characters, the operator entered is not correct. That is going to be printed on the result. So this is how the execution of a program takes place, where you can perform any of the mathematical operations. Thank you.